In this video, I'll show you how to mount Christmas lights to your landscaping rocks without drilling holes. Before you start, make sure the bricks that you're going to mount the lights to are dry and clean, or at least dusted off. What you'll need to mount the lights is a hot melt glue gun and some glue sticks. There are several different kinds of glue sticks. You'll want to stay away from the long setting or like the 3-minute glue sticks. That's what I started with here and found out that even in the cold, it takes a little while to set up. And if you have a lot of lights to put on, standing there or sitting there waiting for each glue spot to dry, it's going to take you a while to put the lights up. So you'll want glue sticks that bond quickly. And you'll see once the glue sets up, they hold pretty well. Now once you have the start of the strand set up, you can put a little tension on the lights to line them up where you want, and then start putting globs of glue to hold them in place. The glue sticks are really inexpensive, so be very generous with the amount of glue you're using because you want those to hold up through the winter. Now I started out with 3-minute setting glue sticks, and you can see it's taking forever for them to set up. After I switched to a quicker drying glue stick, it went a lot quicker. But it was still too slow for me. Holding these, waiting for them to dry, it was killing me. So I came up with an idea of either putting weights on the lights or clamping them down to the bricks somehow. Because I have a ledge or a top cap on these landscaping bricks, I've got clamps, spring clamps, so I'm going to use those to hold the lights in place and then put glue on the lights after I get them set. So what I did was take medium-sized spring clamps and clamp the lights to the blocks. I had enough spring clamps to mount a 100 light strand of lights at one time. Now if you don't have spring clamps, you can use rocks or something with weight to hold the lights in place until the glue dries. After I ran out of clamps and had the lights where I wanted, now I can go back and start gluing the lights to the blocks. I put the glue about every 18 to 24 inches apart. By the time I finished gluing the lights at the end of the strand, the glue was dry enough at the beginning that I can start removing the clamps. One thing you might want to do before gluing them down is make sure they work, because once you glue them down, it really sucks to have to go back and pull them all up again. And I don't mean because they're difficult to pull up. They will come up fairly easy with just pulling on them or using a scraper or something. It's just the time it takes to put them back down. Now I can plug in this next strand of lights and keep on working. That's how I mounted my lights to my landscaping blocks. And as I'm making this video, I can see I've got a strand of lights out already. If you've got some unusual way of mounting Christmas lights, leave a comment in the comment section below. With the year we're having right now, I hope you all have a Merry Christmas. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Until next time, thanks for watching.